In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Xero on mobile in just a few simple steps. If you want to manage your bookkeeping, invoices, and business finances on the go, getting Xero set up on your phone is a great first step. I'll walk you through the process from opening the App Store to signing in or creating your account, so you can get started quickly and confidently. If this tutorial helps you out, please take a moment to hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides. All right, let's get started. First, unlock your phone and open the Google Play Store if you're using Android. If you're on an iPhone, you can use the App Store instead, but for this tutorial, I'll focus on the mobile install process in the Play Store. Once the store opens, tap the search bar at the top of the screen and type in Xero. Make sure you're searching for the official Xero app so you can install the correct version. When the app appears in the search results, tap on it to open the app page. Here, you'll be able to see the app details, ratings, and the install button. Before installing, it's always a good idea to confirm that the app name and developer match the official Xero listing. That helps make sure you're downloading the right app and not a similar-looking copy. Next, tap Install. The download will begin automatically and your phone will handle the rest. Depending on your internet connection, this may take a few moments. While it's installing, you can keep an eye on the progress bar or the install status on the app page. Once the installation finishes, the Install button will change to Open. Now tap Open to launch Xero on your mobile device. The app will start up and take you to the welcome screen. From here, you'll usually be asked to sign in if you already have a Xero account, or create a new account if you're a first-time user. Enter your login details carefully, or follow the on-screen prompts to set up a new account. If you're signing in, make sure you use the same email address associated with your Xero business account. If you're creating an account, take your time to complete the setup and enter the correct business information. Once you're signed in, you'll be able to access Xero features right from your phone, making it easier to stay on top of your finances wherever you are. And that's it. Xero is now installed on your mobile device and ready to use. You can open it anytime from your home screen or app drawer and start managing your business on the go. If this video is helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more clear, step-by-step tech tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.